Keep cutting. No. You gotta keep cutting from the top. This way. There you go. All right, so look. Hold on. So look, turn it off for a sec. Okay, so look, over there, you're on the money. Over here,
Because it went burnt a little bit.
yeah, so you see, so what you gotta do now is you gotta come in. You gotta come in from this side and put your saw like that and finish it right there. Solid, homie. That's nice. So look, right now, put your saw flush against that, homie. So that way you can see where the tree's going. Put it flush against the tree, as flush as you can, the whole bar. Boom, homie, it's going right there. So we actually wanted to go a little more left. No, you leave more on the back side. So the hinge wood, you kind of go like a triangle. You leave more of it there, so it pulls it.
This way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you could do that. So what you do is once you start cutting, just check here and then check there. Make sure you leave more on that side because we wanted to pull that side. If you leave it here, it's gonna pull it to this side. So remember, you gotta leave more on that side. Right now, you gotta, go in on this side more. Now you can just put a wedge in and it should go, bro. Ooh, there you go. There it goes. Shara kiji. Hallelujah. You got it, homie. There she goes. Woo! That's money, baby. Hallelujah. Whoo! So see, there's your hinge wood. Now it's actually pretty even which is not exactly. It's good, homie. That's what you want to do, but
that's all we wanted.
In this case, we wanted more there, but it
yeah.
still went pretty good where we wanted to go.